Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on this 2004 Volkswagen Jetta with the 1.8T engine. And the items you'll need for this is a new ignition coil from 1AAuto.com, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and for ignition coils 3 and 4, you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet, and for ignition coil 4, you'll also need a 5mm Allen bit. First, we have to remove the engine cover by loosening these 4 Phillips clips. Just loosen it while pulling up on the engine cover. And then the engine cover pulls off and you can set it aside. For ignition coils 1 and 2, all you need is a flat blade screwdriver. Just press on the tab and pull the harness free. And then just pry the ignition coil up and out. Then you just take your new ignition coil, push it down into place, and reconnect the harness. To access ignition coil 3, you're going to have to remove this small airbox. Just using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove this 10mm nut and set the airbox aside. And to get to 4, you're also going to have to remove these 3 5mm Allen bolts. We'll just fast forward as Dawn removes those. Pull the bracket off and set it aside. And then just like before, push on the tab and pull the harness free. And you may need to pry it to separate it. And then just pry the ignition coil up and out. On the right is an old ignition coil, on the left is the new one from 1A Auto. You can see that they're identical and they'll fit exactly the same. Take your new ignition coil and push it down into place. And then reconnect your harness. Replace the bracket and the 3 5mm Allen bolts that hold it into place. And we'll fast forward as Dawn tightens those up. Now replace that small airbox and the 10mm nut that holds it into place, and just tighten that up. Line up the 4 Phillips clips with these 4 holes, and just push the engine cover down into place and tighten up those 4 clips. You're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.